To create better blended learning, our perception of design needs to be bigger and include perpetual learning design. The training community is bombarded with messages about the latest trends. How do we effectively organize these elements of modern learning design into a cohesive curriculum that supports learners both in the formal learning process and well after the LMS indicates the course is complete? After all, we're not designing courses anymore. We're designing experiences that support learners in all of their formal and informal moments of learning need. This means recognizing that each learner has a unique path to follow and supporting them along the journey every step of the way. That's what InSync's Perpetual Learning Design model is all about. This approach is focused on learning, not content delivery. It builds on fundamental instructional design approaches and takes the needs of modern learners and modern organizations into account. How do we accomplish this? First, by shifting our language so it's more learner-centered and sharply focused on performance outcomes. And then, by designing formal learning specifically to encourage and support informal learning. Perpetual learning design does this using a blend of lessons, resources, and activities. A lesson is where people learn something new. This could be via a virtual classroom, e-learning module, video, reading, or any other method of delivering new content. A resource supports something that's been learned, either as a reminder, like an infographic or job aid, or a tool to assist someone through a process. A resource is not meant to be a primary learning method. It's something that can be easily accessed and used whenever it's needed. An activity is the opportunity to apply what's been learned in some way. It's practice. This modern approach to blended learning design meets the needs of learners no matter what their learning environment. To learn more, visit www.insynctraining.com.